Hey guys, so today I'm going to create the easy everyday makeup look using just 5 products. I have just cleansed and moisturized my face. So for concealer I'm going to use e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer matte finish. This is a full coverage concealer. For oily skin people, this concealer will give a matte finish. I'm not going to use any foundation, so I'm just covering my blemishes and some spots in my face. This concealer is highly pigmented and lightweight texture. If you have intense dark circles, use an orange corrector, otherwise you can skip the orange corrector. This concealer has an oil balance formula, so it will dry to a matte finish. To set this concealer, I am going to use Maybelline Fit Me compact powder. This compact powder sits lightly on the skin and it gives a very natural finish. I am setting powder in the T-zone area. If you have oily T-zone, set it with the powder so that it gives matte finish. This compact is very affordable and has an SPF 28. Kajal, I am using Sugar Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal. This kajal is very much pigmented and it is very creamy in texture. I have applied the kajal as my eyeliner also, and I am lightly smudging it off. It will give a nice look. It gives a nice smoky look. This kajal is very pigmented and it is very creamy. You can easily apply it. That's it guys, now I have created easy smoky eyes. Then for mascara, I am using Maybelline Hypercurl mascara. For lipstick, I am using Maybelline Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick, shade Nude Nuance. It is a beautiful nude shade. While applying on lips, it looks like a brownish pink nude color. This looks gorgeous on a medium skin tone. Then I am applying the same lipstick as my blush, just to add a pinch of color in my cheeks. I am blending using the PAC blending brush. For oily skin, cream blush easily blends into the skin and stays longer. It gives natural look to the cheeks. That's it guys. Hope you like this look. Thank you for watching. Bye.